Heartiest welcome to all in the fourth day of spoken English. Students, just guess what we are going to learn today? Don't worry, just spread joy. Students, you learn something every day if you pay attention, right? Children, today we are going to discover the uses of subject pronouns and is, am, are. So let's move ahead. First of all, let me tell you what subject pronouns are. Subject pronouns are those pronouns that does the action in a sentence. For example, he drives a bus, you write a letter, she cooks food. All the circled words are subject pronouns. These are called subject because they come in the beginning of a sentence. Alright? I, you, he, she, we, they, it are subject pronouns. We use I with am, you with are, he with is, we with are, she with is, it with is, they with are. Let me further explain these. If you know a name of a boy, you can simply call him by his name, like Pratik. If you don't know the name of a boy, you can simply call him he. If you know the name of a girl, you can simply call her by her name, like Neha. If you don't know the name of a girl, then call her she. If two persons know each other, they can use we for both of them. More than one person are called they, and the person who is speaking is called I. The boy who is laughing in the picture is I. It is used to say about things and animals. For example, it is a table, it is a dog, it is a phone, it is a pen. Don't you think English is fun? Now let's learn use of is, am, are. Use of is, am, are. Am is used with I, are is used with you, is used with single persons, and are is used with plural persons. You can use is with single name and you can use are with plural names. Now the question arises, when do we use is, am, are mostly? So let me tell you, we use is, am, are when we talk about something or somebody's nature like kind, humble, etc., name and age, quality, present state of being or position. Let's practice. I'm going to give you some examples of sentences of quality, name and age, nature, present state or position. You just guess what I am saying. I am hungry. My sister is a doctor. This tomato is red. He is my uncle. We are friends. The glass is broken. He is hardworking. I am not well. I am happy. I am in the school. He is 30 years old, or you can simply say he is 30. You are young. This is a new notebook. He is the class monitor. Tomorrow is a holiday. He is a driver. She is clever. I am a doctor. We are businessmen. They are in the park. You are beautiful. She is my best friend. He is writing a letter. It is an apple. It is a flower vase. I am a painter. I am working on laptop. They are waiting for us. Boys are playing. We are listening. The children play games. Archana and Kirti are talking. Mom and dad are watching movie. The shops are closed today. This is my house. I am ready. I am at home. And many more. Am or is are also used to ask questions in English. For example, are you alright? Are you from Jalandhar? Is she an engineer? Am I right? Are they playing hockey? Is she nice? Am I your friend? Are we students? Is he a new learner? Is he looking for his car? Students, remember that these questions simply answer in yes or no. Ism are also used in the negative sentences also. For example, I am not a doctor. She is not married. You are not working these days. My parents are not at home. I am not a painter. It is not a flower vase. So, dear children, I think that's enough for today. Having fun with English and believe that I speak English. Thank you. God bless you today and always.